Do you need to remove unwanted pages from a PDF without editing the original file? Samsung Note lets you remove pages and save the result as a brand new PDF. Let me show you how. First, open the Samsung Note app. Tap the import PDF icon at the top. Select the PDF file you want to edit. Then tap done. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Tap Page Sorter. Tap Edit. Now select the pages you want to remove. For this example, let's remove the cover page and a few appendix pages so we can create a shorter PDF that's easier to share. Tap the trash can icon at the bottom. The selected pages are now removed. Tap the back button. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. Then tap Save As. Select PDF file. Choose Standard PDF. Select the folder where you want to save the new PDF. Tap Save. Rename the file if needed, then tap Save again. By doing this, your original PDF stays unchanged while the new PDF contains only the remaining pages. And that's how to remove pages from a PDF in Samsung Note on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.